How to go live on Snapchat. Launch a Snapchat application on your device. When you sign in, you will get access to the home screen or home page of Snapchat, that is the camera page. Then tap on the Bitmoji icon at top left corner of the screen. You will get access to this section, that is your profile feed. Now tap your icon at top right corner to access the settings page. When you scroll down and go through all of this option, you won't get any kind of go live option on Snapchat. So you need to be aware that you are not able to, or you will not be able to go live on Snapchat like other applications such as TikTok or Instagram. So in order to share your ideas on Snapchat, you simply need to go to Spotlight and make a Spotlight videos or send snaps to your friends for your daily activities. So that is how we can easily go live on Snapchat. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button. Subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.